Arterioles are similar to veins and arteries. They are structured with a smooth muscle outer layer called the tunica media as the veins and arteries. Yet they are layered inside with a single layer of cells called the endolithium, and also as a basement membrane. They are structured with the tunica media for constriction and dilation of the vessel cells and to control blood pressure. Venules, on the other hand, contain the same single layer as the arteries, the endolithium, yet that layer with both veins and arteries do, the tunica externa. They are structured like this to allow deoxygenated blood to come back from the capillary beds and on into the veins. Capillaries are also helpful in the fusion of oxygenated and deoxygenated blood. They do this through the capillary beds, along with water, glucose and other things. This is to remove from the system. From this image we can see the difference in the surface area and what speed the blood is travelling around the body, with capillaries taking up the highest amount of space and the arteries using the smallest amount of surface area. Precapillary sphincters are used to allow distribution of blood around the body and for diffusion to happen in the capillary bed. If the sphincter is contracted, the blood will not be able to pass through the capillary bed, but if it's relaxed, the blood flow will flow through it and diffusion of oxygenated and deoxygenated blood will happen. The constriction of precapillary sphincters decreases the blood flow. The control of this is local through the autoregulation. Autoregulation happens in the capillaries and is used to divert blood where it is most needed. Pocket valves are only found in veins. These contract to stop the backflow of blood and to make sure that the blood flow continues. They can be found on the sides of the veins and whipped back when blood does not need to be exported out of the veins. When relaxed, the pocket valves allow the blood to rush through without any problems. Smooth muscle fibers and elastic fibers are only in the arteries. They are both structured differently as they endure different functions and help with the cardiovascular system. The elastic arteries are the first type of artery when leaving the heart. They have more elastic fibers than smooth muscle and absorb pressure changes. They are stretching during systole but relaxed in diastole and prevent low pressure during diastole and high pressure during systole. It is structured this way to cope with the high amount of pressure during contractions and its function is to control the blood pressure when first coming out of the heart. While smooth muscle fibers, which are the muscular arteries, these are mostly out of tunica media, which contains a high amount of smooth muscle and a very little elastic fiber. They have a tunica externa and endolithium, and also a tunica intima. These are very muscular to cope with the contractions of the muscles which pump the blood around the body. Thank you for watching my presentation.